Tired of clogged drains and disgusting hairy messes in your bathtub? Look no further than the Tub Shroom. It catches every single hair every single time. Gone are the days of sticky, nasty-looking and hard-to-clean drain catchers that just don't work. With the Tub Shroom, the unsightly mess is hidden, the water flows freely, and with an extra layer of antimicrobial additive, the Tub Shroom will last longer and it's easier to clean. Short hair, long hair, curly hair, dog hair. Tub Shroom gets it all every single time. Tub Shroom is designed to fit virtually every standardized bathtub drain. The Tub Shroom is now available in the Chrome Edition to match virtually any decor, and it's backed with our 30-day money-back guarantee. But wait, there's more good news. We are proud to introduce the all-new Sink Shroom for your bathroom sink drains, with all the same benefits of the Tub Shroom, but for your sink too. Sink Shroom is designed to fit virtually every standard-sized bathroom sink drain. No need to worry about losing jewelry down the drain or water slowing to a halt. No more clogs, no more mess, no more damaging chemicals. Tub Shroom and Sink Shroom catch every single hair every single time. They're the last hair strainers you'll ever need to buy.
Say hello to the BravaJet mopping robot from iRobot. And say goodbye to everyday messes. Just press clean. BravaJet automatically knows what to do. The Precision Jet Spray loosens dirt, while the vibrating cleaning head gently scrubs stains. BravaJet uses iRobot's advanced navigation software and a full suite of sensors to map and track where it's been, helping it mop in an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. It keeps going until the whole room is clean. BravaJet is great for kitchens and bathrooms. It's small enough to work its way into tight spots. It carefully cleans around obstacles, so it won't harm furniture, rugs, or walls. When it's done, simply eject the pad. Your hands never touch the dirt. BravaJet features 3 cleaning modes. It recognizes the type of cleaning pad and automatically adjusts the way it cleans. Attach a wet mopping pad, and BravaJet uses a triple pass cleaning motion, Precision Jet Spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to tackle dirt and stains. Attach a damp sweeping pad, and BravaJet uses a double pass cleaning motion, reduced spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to gently clean everyday dust and dirt. With a dry sweeping pad, BravaJet traps and locks dust, dirt, and pet hair using a single pass cleaning motion. BravaJet is great for hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone, so you can enjoy cleaner floors and a fresher home every day. You, BravaJet, and iRobot. Better together.